Today we are making shaking beef. It's Vietnamese shaking beef. T bu lak lak. So this is about 750 grams of beef. So I am using rump steak. It is good to have eye fillet or sirloin or any more tender meat, but I'm using the rump steak, so about 750 grams. Now for that I'll be adding about 8 cloves of minced garlic, 8 cloves of minced garlic, about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, about teaspoons of sugar, soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons, we need fish sauce, but I don't have fish sauce today, so I'm I'm not putting that in. So this is oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons, then little red wine vinegar, about 1.5 tablespoon. Now all this I'll mix and marinate it for about 2 hours, minimum about half an hour, but I'll keep it for about 2 hours, and then I'll prepare it. We got to use a wok, and on high heat we have to fry this. So I'll come back to you later. So I've cut 2 small red onions, sliced them into rings, and this is the remaining garlic, about 5 cloves garlic, white vinegar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. So I'm going to make a marinade of this. So we got 2 teaspoons of sugar, little oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, vinegar, white vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Make it into a mixture. Add little more soy sauce if you want, and then immerse this onions into that and keep it aside. Now this is I've got rocket. Normally we use watercress, but today I'm using rocket, and so we are making a bed of this rocket later on, and then sliced tomatoes on top of it, and then we'll put in the shaking beef on top with the onions and serve them. I'm going to add the garlic into this, and then going to fry it a bit later on, and then add it on top of the beef. This here is a rocket or for salad. So normally we use watercress, but today I bought this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it further into small bits and put it in a serving tray. So I've got this serving tray here. This is my grandmother's, and I'm going to cut this just slightly. And place it in the tray. I've got 2 tomatoes and I'm going to slice them and place them on top of the serving tray. So this is the salad with the rocket which I've cut up, and also the tomatoes on top. Heat up a wok and add little oil, and when the oil is hot, as you can see steaming, then I will add the beef, marinated beef. Make it in batches, 2 batches, spread it out. Spread the meat so that it gets a bit charred, and then after about 2-3 minutes, turn it over. I'm turning over the beef now. And char it on the other side. So require, actually, if there is a gas stove, it is good because you get the flame directly. Or you can even just toss it with a spoon. After about 4 or 5 minutes, remove it. Now do the next batch. Now add the marinated onion mixture. Fry it for a few minutes and then put it on top of the candle leaves, just is optional. So here we have Vietnamese shaking beef, Thit Lak Lak.